What happens if you get this in your eye? I mean, what if it gets in your eye and then you put the eyelash on your eyeball and then your eye starts coming out of your head? Hey guys! So we are not in my kitchen this week, but we're about to get beautiful because I got some magnetic eyeliner slash eyelashes, which I've never tried before. So here's a little lowdown on my eyelash journey. I had eyelash extensions for about like a year and a half, 2 years. They were great. I felt beautiful all the time. I woke up and I felt bomb. Like, it was so good in that aspect, but they're very expensive and getting the fills is expensive. Not super time consuming. The expensive is, yeah. And I also have a really extremely dry eyeballs. Putting drops in your eyes that also touch your eyelashes don't really make the glue hold up too well. So it's just, it got to be too much for me. I just use mascara. I found this mascara, which I fracking love. This is really expensive too, but this is the most expensive makeup item I've ever gotten in my entire life. It's $32 and it's mascara. It's from Thrive Cosmetics. It's the fiber something, but I don't know. That's really good. If you've seen an ad for that, you should get it. But I've always wanted to try magnetic lashes. Not necessarily this kind, but the ones where they sandwich your eyelashes. So I was thinking about getting those. My mom got those and she really likes them, but then I heard about a lot of people saying, you know, when you clamp it on and when you pull them off, it like just pulls out a bunch of your eyelashes. But at the same time, when you have eyelash extensions, your real eyelashes are getting, you know, pulled off too, and you're getting filled. I don't know. It's a rough life. So I don't know what the correct thing to do for your eyelashes is. Probably not wearing any makeup on your eyelashes is probably the way to go. But then, you know, I was scrolling on Target.com to do a drive-up order because, you know, quarantine. And I don't want to go in the store. So I was just like looking at, you know, some groceries and some whatever stuff that I needed. And then I was like, I saw these and I was like, magnetic eyeliner and the magnetic eyelashes. So I wanted to try it and it's cheap. I'm a little nervous because I don't wear eyeliner. Oh, directions. Oh, it gives you the cat eye look. Oh, this is in a different language. Okay. How are the eyelashes in there? Oh, how do you get them out? Oh, there we go. It's not like a long thing. It's like, just like a little baby. What happens if you get this in your eye? I mean, what if it gets in your eye and then you put the eyelash on your eyeball and then your eye starts coming out of your head? Very thick. That's Chase calling me. And yes, that's the Schitt's Creek theme song. Hi.
Hi, Drew.
Hi, I'm filming a video. Can I call you back? So she is like very thick. You probably can't see that, but it's thick. I'm scared. Eyeliner scares me. I am not a makeup person. Okay. I'm scared. It feels funny. Is that normal? How does one make a straight line? I am so bad at this, and I'm just hoping that the eyelashes will cover up that this line is definitely not straight. Let's do the other eye. Okay, this one's straighter, but I'm just not Okay, that's not too bad. And like I said, I'm hoping that you won't even be able to like see the mess ups. It's really sticky. Sticky. Let's see if these stick to my eyeballs. I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh, it's done stuck. Oh, it's actually sticking. Do you have to put on more than one layer? Because there's a part that looks rough. It's like actually, okay, see? That's not good. So I need more on the inner. It's like actually, like I have to pull to get it to come off. That is so cool. What kind of technology? Okay, so I made it a little thicker. You can see the tiny little magnets on them. Tiny little magnets. You probably can't, but they're like, there you go. It's like raised. I look really dumb right now, but. Oh, but you can still, oh, maybe that's just my eyelid. See, that's the bad part, is because I feel like I need to do under eyeliner and I don't like doing that because it scares me. Oh, okay. This one's harder. Okay. See, this one looks okay. This one looks like not good. Maybe because there's more light on it. Let me try another layer. Ogres have layers. The only thing bad is about like this, the inner corner, but it's better than before. Sorry. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I mean, it looks good from far away. I don't feel like they're gonna fall. Oh, maybe they do. I don't know if I'm destined to be glam. I mean, it's actually kind of nice. I mean, it's way easier than glue. The only times I've ever tried to do that on myself is like prom, you know, going out, you know, even then I would have Celeste do it. You know, I'd have my friends do my eyelashes for me, not me, which is hard. But, you know, I don't, because I was looking for something that I could do every day that could be similar to my eyelash extensions, which I miss so much. They're definitely easier. Like I can definitely, like on a night out or like on a date night or like going somewhere, which probably won't happen for a really long time, I could definitely do this for like a night out, but for like every day, I don't think so, just because I'm not used to wearing eyeliner. So I just think I look so funny right now. Let me know if you guys do this, or maybe there's a better brand. I mean, I got this at Target for $15, so there might be a better brand of the magnetic eyeliner and eyelashes. So let me know if you do that, or if you do like this ones where you sandwich, which actually, you know, maybe I'll ask my mom if I can give her a try, because, you know, even if, because your eyelashes fall out all the time. If I, you know, if some come out when I'm taking off my eyelashes, that's not a big deal. It's probably gonna happen when you do glue. It's gonna happen when I wipe this off. So maybe I was a little bit too harsh on the sandwiching, but so maybe I'll try that. And that way it might look a little bit more natural, because then I don't have to wear eyeliner. Why didn't I think that was a good idea? That sounds really dumb to me now that I didn't want to do that. Well, I'm glad I tried it. Let me know what you guys use, and I might try to do the little sandwich ones, because now that seems kind of good to me, and then I won't have to worry about eyeliner at all, and then I just sandwich them. I'm hungry. Okay, this is after I ended the video, but it is really hard to get off. See, look, it's like all stuck on there. Hi, Phoebe. This is Mama's new chair. No, Mama's new chair. That's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.